Hello children, in previous class we have learnt about verbs in which we have studied helping verbs, linking verbs and action verbs. In this class we are going to learn transitive and intransitive verbs. A transitive verb used with a direct object transmit action to an object and may also have an indirect object which indicates to or for whom the action is done. Or a transitive verb includes the direct object where the object is present, that is called a transitive verb. Where the object is not present in the sentence, that is called intransitive verb. In other words, a transitive verb is a verb that transmits action to an object. It gives an action to an object. Let us see the examples. He sent the letter. So here, direct object of sent is letter. She gave the lecture. Here, lecture is the direct object of gave. In these sentences, something is being done to an object. As you can see, he sent the letter. So he is doing something on the letter that he is sending the letter. So something is done on the object. Again, in the second sentence, she gave the lecture. Again, lecture, the subject has done something on the lecture object. More on transitive verbs. A transitive verb can also have an indirect object that precedes or comes before the direct object. A sentence may have two objects, direct and indirect objects, and in transitive verbs it includes both direct and indirect object. The indirect object tells to or for whom the action is done, although the words to and for are not used. We can understand through these examples. He sent Robert the letter. So here we can see the direct object is letter which receives the action sent, and the indirect object Robert is person to whom the letter is sent. She gave her class the lecture. The direct object lecture receives the action gave, and the indirect object class is the group to whom the lecture is given. So you can see both direct and indirect objects are there in the sentence. So it is a transitive verb. Intransitive verbs. An intransitive verb does not have an object. Like she sleeps too much. So you can see here there is no object. So it is an intransitive verb. He complains frequently. Again, there is no object where the action is done by the subject. So it is also intransitive verb. So let's practice some of the sentences which are having transitive or intransitive verbs. Like Canny taught the class. So here we can see Canny taught whom the class. Indirect object is here. So it is transitive verb. As we have discussed, the transitive verb has objects direct and indirect. He sits around too often. So he is sitting around too often. There is no place is mentioned. So it is intransitive verb. Rob ran the marathon in under 2 hours. Here marathon is the object. So it is a transitive verb. That boy cries a lot. So here there is no object. So it is intransitive verb. So we can say a verb that sends its action to a noun or a pronoun is called a transitive verb. The crowd applauded the players. People screamed at the pitcher. Here the verb sends its action to the noun or a pronoun. You can see in these sentences like the crowd applauded the players. Here applauded whom? The players. People screamed at the pitcher. To whom to what people screamed at? The pitcher. A verb that does not send its action to a word is called an intransitive verb. The crowd cheered the batter. So you can see that the object is here, so it is transitive. People cheered wildly. So here there is no object, only the feeling has been shown. So it is intransitive. Always ask who or what. When we are talking about who, we are asking questions in transitive verbs. Like my dad jumped high. Who jumped high? My dad. So here we can see that there is no object. It is giving only the answer of the subject. So it is intransitive verb. Last year students jumped the gate. Last year students jumped what? The gate. So it is giving the answer of object. So it is transitive verb. A sixth grader jumped what? A grade. So it is giving again answer grade. A sixth grader jumped what? A grade. So here again it is giving answer of what? So it is transitive verb. Linking verbs are always transitive. They do not express action. We can see the examples. The Ravans are the winners. They seem triumphant about their victory. The team is in first place now. So here you can see there are no objects, so they all are intransitive verbs. So let us learn by some more examples. We draw circles with the compass and also study angles. So here draw and study, we draw what? We draw circles and with the compass and also study what? Angles. So here it is transitive verb. He wrote the manuscript. Here the verb is wrote. Ask yourself, he wrote what? So it is giving answer. He wrote the manuscript. So here it is transitive. Now next example, the dog shook his tail. The verb is shook here and the dog shook what? Tail. His tail. So tail is the direct object. So it is again transitive verb. Let's practice some more examples of intransitive verbs. Mrs. Carper applauded. So here the verb is applauded and there is no object to receive the action. So it is intransitive verb. The dog shook. Here the verb is shook. To whom or what? It is not giving any answer. So it is not having direct or indirect object. So it is also an intransitive verb. So let us recapitulate. A transitive verb expresses action that is received by a noun or a pronoun. An intransitive verb doesn't have an object that receives the action or the object is missing. The noun or pronoun that receives the action is called a direct object. Linking verbs are always intransitive. I hope the concept is clear to you all. Practice these verbs and these sentences so that the concept will be more clear to you. Thank you, children.